Welcome to our Only Rice series kung saan hindi nyo pagkakaita ng sarili nyo sa kanin, lalo na kung ganito kasarap ang ulam. For today's episode, gagawa tayo ng better than takeout orange chicken. Boneless chicken thighs ang gamit namin, cut into 4. Add in your soy sauce, garlic, cornstarch, soda water, and egg. Thick yung consistency na gusto natin and well-coated dapat yung mismong manok. Deep fry your chicken for at least 8 to 10 minutes and I highly recommend na i-double fry nyo siya for that added crispiness. Medium heat lang for 3 to 5 minutes. For the actual orange chicken sauce, mix in your soy sauce, oyster sauce, garlic, ginger, and of course, orange zest. 100% orange juice, an actual orange, squeeze nyo lang. Add in honey for that sweetness, then pepper and chili flakes for that kick. No exact measurements here, besties, as in taste talaga. Add nyo na yung cornstarch slurry kapag satisfied na kayo sa taste, and yung orange flavor nakadepende talaga yan sa orange juice na ginamit nyo. Not sponsored pero serious yung gamit ko dito. And ayan na, meron ka ng orange chicken. Garnish with sesame seeds and green onions. Add in your rice, damihan nyo na, minsan lang naman. Orange chicken in, gusto namin may veggies kaya may asparagus on the side. Add in more sesame seeds, green onions, and chili. And you get the crispiest, tastiest orange chicken, better than takeout. Better talaga kasi syempre luto mo yan eh. A good reminder din, besties, na it's okay to indulge from time to time. O ayan, besties, dagdagan nyo na yung sinaing nyo. Enjoy!